Welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you how to create smart quiz from scratch, from the start. Okay, first ones we open new file. New file. Okay, just a blank presentations, right? And then we delete all these pre-shapes, and I change the color of the backgrounds because it's not necessary, but just for my eyes convenience. Okay, I choose black. Right, the first things I want to create a question box here. Question box. Okay, and we need to give it a name because it is necessary, it is very important for our codes later on. Okay, we give it I just hit soal. Okay, soal means the questions. So, and then next I will create another shapes, 6 shapes, 5 shapes for the options. Here, make it a little bit smaller. Okay, we name it for example here option A, but here I will give it name pilihan A, because it matches to the codes. In my codes I give it a pilihan A, so you can rename it as you like. You can name it options, it's okay. Next, copy it again, pilihan P, option P. Okay, oh, I'm sorry, pilihan P. Right, next pilihan C, and then pilihan T, right, because I move it up a little bit, so I have space for options D, option E, I mean. Okay, option E, the last one. Okay, option E, right. And then after this I'll create a number of questions here. Okay, this is a total number for the question numbers, right, and I will make another shapes. For example here, just I'll show you this one like this. Okay, to make it quick, I copy it from my file. Okay, right, to make it fast. Okay, here, right. Next, there's something or one shape left here. Okay, right, but here I want to match the name of this one because the previous one I name it label total numbers of numbers. Okay, so I will change with this one. Okay, right? I copy paste here, paste in here. Okay, after we have made all of these shapes, the next step is copy the code. I have pasted it on my notepad, so you can copy it from the descriptions of my in the descriptions link in my YouTube channels. You can find and you can copy and paste it in your code. Yeah, right. I will select it all and then copy it, and I will paste it in my code editors. If you don't have these features, you can find here, open the file, and then options here, and find the customize ribbons. Yeah, customize ribbons. And if when you on the right side there's a developers, and then you tick it, and it will appear developer tab here. And then the next things is find the Visual Basics, click it, and you will find code here. And because we made it inserted module, yeah, this is, then we passed the code that we have copied here. Okay, next things we will paste in here restarts. Yeah, we find here inserts, okay, actions, and set positions. Yeah, it's already here, set positions. Okay, set positions, right. Let's check it out. Okay, and then this goes to the end of the slide. So in order to not seeing this message, we set slideshow here, set up slideshow, and then we choose browse at kiosk full screen. So when we click outside the buttons, still stay on these screens, not moving to the end of the slide, right? Check it out. Okay, it doesn't work, something wrong with this. So let's check what's wrong with this. Okay, let's find a set object here, set object, and then we click something. Okay, that's so it's already run. I think it's already runs. Okay, so we put it the name in the options, so we know it works or not. A and B and C, and then D, and the last one's E. Okay, let's check. Oh, I'm sorry, this is the color. Yeah, the color should not be red, should be greens. I will change into green, right? Wait a minute, I will change it, because the code, when the color is red, it cannot be work. Should be greens, should be green. Yeah, because right, let's check. A minute, still doesn't work. No restarts. Let's check. Oh, the color still not match. Restarts. Should be green. Yeah, green 255, right? Let's make it 255. Okay, 0 255 then 0, right? Okay, let's check it again. Yeah, it's work. Okay, works. But here, oh yeah, this something missing here. We go back, so it should be the shapes here should be moved up. Okay, should be moved up, right? Should be moved over here. Let's check. Yeah, good. It's already moved. Okay, and then for examples, we answers correct here. Oh, we need to put it insert link first. Yeah, for example here I have to insert it wrong options. Okay, wrong options, jawaban salah mean wrong options, and then here also wrong options, okay, wrong options, okay, and D also wrong options, and the last ones E benar means correct options, right? Correct options. Okay, let's check. Right. Group A answer correct, for example. Okay, 100, and then group B answer wrong. Group C answer correct, right? And then the last one, group A answer wrong, for example, right? So the winner is group C, right? Okay, the restart doesn't work. Let's see what happened here. Restart. Yeah, let's check. What happened? Doesn't work. Why? Okay, should be green. Should be green. Okay, wait for a minute. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, I think the problem is the color. The color is not the same, so I have changed into green colors, right? For example, you want to restart. Okay, one again. Okay, I think that is for this part. We will continue next part. Thank you.